Alright, babies are 6 days old. They're lying out getting a little bit of sun. Been laying here for a while. Mama says let me in the room. She says let me in. Okay, let's let Mama in. Hi Mama. I got your babies all out. I got all the babies. Alright, let's see. Just put them back in the box for you. Come on in here, Nars. What we got here? We got one of the little girls. Oh, I think she's the darkest little girl. She's pretty dark in through here. And who do we have here? We got another little girl. She's got nice browns and reds. Yeah, she does. Look at her. Oh. It's alright, Nar. Come on, watch out, Nars. I can see her brown on her paws. A reddy rust brown. Alright, who we got here? We have a little boy here. Boy, dude, this little boy. Oh, yes. He's got some browns on him too. He's a handsome guy. You waking him up, Nars, huh? Oh, what do we have here? We have another little boy. Oh, Dad, oh. Yes, he's not as brown. He's going to have some really cool colors, though. You can see it's almost a copperish color. What else we got here, Nars? Oh, just roll you over. You don't want to roll over. Aren't you the boy? Yes, we are the other boy. He's got lighter feet than the other one. Yes, alright. Okay. Who else do we have over here? Oh, do we have another little girl? She's got pretty browns on her paws too. She's got the browns back here. Yes. On her face. And this little girl just had the one little paw that's white. One little tip of you is white. She's got white on her chin. She's got some pretty colors. What, Nars, huh? You just wanted one baby out here? Oh, come here. Then we have the other little girl with her white paws. They're still not very loud right now. You can go in there, Mama, huh? Sleeping. Now they're making a little more noise. They know Mama's around. They know Mama's around. They want her. These guys don't care. This one's just asleep and this little girl curled up. It's exciting. Come bark, make some noise again. Find Mama. Hi, Mama. one's still sleeping.